Hey everyone, if you have a Garmin device and you're wondering how to record your strength training activity in the Garmin Connect mobile application, then this is the video for you. Note that some of the Garmin devices do not support tracking of strength training activities directly from your Garmin watch. For instance, I have a Garmin vivoactive, and while this watch supports activities such as running, cycling and swimming, it does not have an inbuilt activity called strength training. But worry not, if you want to track your activity that involves strength training using a device that does not automatically support strength training, then you can do so by visiting connect.garmin.com on your computer. Or if you have a phone, then all you need to do is download the Garmin Connect mobile application. Using the steps that I show you here, you will be able to record all of your strength training activities and also see the muscles that were worked in your strength training activity. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to open the Garmin Connect mobile application. In the Garmin Connect mobile application, if you click the top left icon, then you're going to see a bunch of activities. You need to choose Create Manual Activity. From the list of activities, this is really crucial. Do not choose gym and fitness equipment. Choose the activity that's called strength training. Now you can give a name to this activity. You can choose to add some notes for this activity, such as the things that you did during the workout. What you need to do is, you see the option for exercises. You can add a bunch of exercises by clicking the button Add Exercise. You can select from all exercises by searching for the exercises that you performed in your gym. Here you can enter time for that activity if it was a time-based activity. Otherwise, enter the number of reps and the weight. Unfortunately, there is not an option to enter the number of sets, so you'll just need to repeat the same activity 2 or 3 times if you performed more than one set for that activity. Now, if you have already added an activity and you want to add one more set of the same activity, then you can click the Recent tab and choose that activity instead of going to the All Exercises tab. After you have added all of the exercises for your activity, you can go back to the main screen and your workout gets saved in this way. So even if you have a Garmin device that does not have inbuilt support for strength training activities, you can manually record your workouts in this way by using the Garmin mobile application. You can also do the same thing by using the website connect.garmin.com. I hope this video gave you enough information about how to record your strength training activities using the Garmin Connect mobile application. Thank you for watching.